I would like to introduce you to Farmasi's Mr. Wipes bioHome cleaning line. All of our products, including our cleaners, are made with the safest ingredients and by the highest European standards, which means you can purchase anything from our company and know that everything that you are receiving is safe for you and your family. The first item I would like to share with you is our magic sponge. All it takes is a little bit of water to unleash its cleaning power. The inside of the microwave and the built-up food in your oven is no match for our eraser. Grout lines are clean in a snap, and so are countertops with our magic sponge. Next is the multi-purpose cleaner. Only 1 capful of our product in a spray bottle of 20 ounces of water packs a great big punch to clean up old headlights, wine stains in carpets, and even the food grime in ovens. Marker and ink are no match, and neither are the stains in your car or on your headliners from children and pets. Want your child's shoes to last longer? Give them a little scrub, and don't forget to try it on your grout lines too. Just imagine what the rest of our cleaning line can do for you. We have a laundry detergent line, and we also have a dishes line. If you're interested in trying something, be sure and let me know, and I will be happy to get you the best products for you and your family and your home.